In this video tutorial, I will show you how to develop a Python program to check if a number is positive, negative or 0. The number is named as num. It is followed by the input function which has the prompt message say enter a number. Double inverted comma is completed and bracket is completed. Now if I only write this, then the entered number is treated as a string, because by default input function treats the entered value as a string, but I have to treat it as a number, say float. That's why I will write float word here, so that the entered value is treated not as a string but as a float. So the value is stored in a variable num. Now how many possibilities are there? The entered number can either be a positive number, it can be a negative, or it can be 0. Means there are 3 different possibilities. And when there are multiple possibilities in Python, I have if, elif, else statement. And that's why I am going to use them. The first condition is followed by if. Now what I have to check? I have to check whether the num, that is entered number, is positive. Means whether it is greater than 0. So if entered number is greater than 0, the condition becomes true and it will go inside the body of the for statement. And what I have to do? I have to display the message that the number is positive. The number is positive. Bracket complete. Now, say the entered number is negative. In such case, this statement is false. So it will not execute its body. So it will straight away go to the elif part. And what is elif? I have to check whether the number is negative. So for negative number, what is the condition? Number is greater than 0. So when this condition is satisfied, this printf statement, this print statement gets executed. What I have to print? I have to print the number is negative. Now, say user has entered a number 0. In this case, this condition is also false because 0 is not greater than 0. It will come here. This is also false because 0 is not less than 0. In such case, the program control comes to the else part. And what I have to do? I have to write the print statement, and the message to be displayed is the number is 0. Double inverted comma complete, then complete the bracket. Now what I have to do? I have to put a colon here, because after if, after elif and after else, you have to put the colon here. So save the program and now run the program. Enter a number. Say I have entered the number 56. Obviously it is a positive. So the number is positive. Let us run it one more time. Enter a number. Say I have entered the number 89.45. The number is negative. And let us check the third possibility. Enter a number. I have entered 0. So the number is 0. Thank you.